In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix app not installed on Android Play Store. So if you're trying to install any application and if you're facing the app not installed error, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be that your device is low on space, so make sure to remove the unnecessary files or applications. After you free up the space, try installing the application again and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, the problem might be caused because of the cache. So in that case, what you have to do is launch up an app library of your device, find the application for Play Store and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the App Info interface of Google Play Store. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the cache will be cleared. Now after that, try installing the application and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some bugs in the Google Play Store. In order to fix that, make sure the Play Store is up to date. For that, open the Google Play Store application. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down and tap on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. At last, you'll be able to find this option for about, tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find this option for Play Store version over here. Tap on this option update Play Store that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and the Play Store will be updated. After you do that, try installing the application and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some temporary software glitches in your device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, the temporary software glitches will be fixed, and after that you should be able to install the app. So that is how you fix app not installed on Android Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.